Here 2 points P and Q are on HP, or on HP means front views. The point P is 30 mm behind VP. Behind VP means this top view lies in second and third quadrant, while Q is 50 mm in front of VP means this top view lying in the first and fourth quadrant. Find the horizontal distance between their projectors parallel to the XY line. The line joining their top views makes an angle of 40 degree with XY. Okay, first I will start with the point P. So draw the XY line. Point P is 30 mm behind VP. Behind VP means two chances, second and third quadrant. In second and third quadrant, the top view is lying above the XY line. So mention the dimension and put a point. Go to point, take thickness 2 mm and show the dimension. This is your top view P. Okay, now in the question they have mentioned one condition. The top views are joining with a line of an angle of 40 degree. You can see that the line joining their top views makes an angle of 40 degree with XY. So that means I will first draw this 40 degree angle line from this top view. Just randomly first I will draw a line. Then with respect to XY line I will change the angle. Okay, using angle between command. So here I will change it to 40. So the angle we should have 40 degree with XY. So type 40, enter. Okay, now here the another top view of Q, it is lying at a distance of 50 mm. Okay, 50 mm. So what I will do, I will draw one parallel line here, parallel to the XY at a distance of 50. So just draw a line and then using distance between command I will change it to 50. Okay, at the intersection of this angle line and parallel line, this is where we get exactly the another end point. Yes, here draw a straight line. Now mention the point here. Mention it is Q. This is the top view of Q. Now we have to mention the front views. We know that it is lying on the HP plane. HP plane means on the XY line. That is P dash and Q dash. Okay, now we have to find out the horizontal distance between these projectors. Okay, this is the length we are getting, that is 95.34 is the horizontal distance between the projectors. We can type in the horizontal distance between projectors between end projectors is 95.34. 95.34 mm. Okay, for this P dash and Q dash you mention the point here. Okay, so this completes the second problem. Now we are moving
front view of it, and then the section plane. Okay, step by step we are going to do it, so please watch it till the end. You can understand all the steps, okay, easily. So go to rectangle by center. Here the width and height you have to give, that is 40 and 40, and angle will be 45 degree. So this is how we construct the square with respect to corner position. Okay, show the dimensions and write down the namings for it. Write xy HPVB and draw the projection lines upward to construct the front view. So here top view notations can be written ABCD. Since it is a pyramid, that means we need to draw the slant edges, that is thick lines we need to draw here. If it is a prism, means it should be thin lines. So you all should know this difference. So thick lines we have drawn. Write down O1. Okay, now draw the projection lines upward to construct the front view. So projection line should be thin line, that is 0.13 mm. We should take thickness. So axis height is 65 mm. Take the same length. So construct the triangular face. Show the dimension of the axis. So front view it is done. Now here we need to draw an section plane, that is truncated surface at an angle of 40 degree. Okay, so exactly midpoint we need to find out, because it is bisecting the axis, means exactly half 65 half is 32.5. so here at this point we need to draw an section plane at an angle of 40 degree. So the length can be anything, but here angle you have to show with respect to axis. It is given in the question, it is 45 degree, guys. So it exactly this, right? So this is a section plane. Now can mention the, so that upper portion I am going to make it, okay, lighter, in order to show that the lower portion has been the cut portion, the truncated surface. Okay, now I'm mentioning the cut points here. So it is cutting the, so you can mention this front view notations: A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash is not visible from the front view. O1 dash and O dash also I can mention. Now I can mention the cut points. So here cut points we are mentioning with the numericals. So 1 is cutting the slant edge AO, 2 is cutting the slant edge BO, and C is cutting the slant edge CO, and 4 it is cutting the slant edge DO. Okay, okay, mention the cut points like this. Then measure the slant edge dimension. So here you need to find out the slant edge dimension. Use 2 points. So here in the dimension they are showing horizontal, vertical, right? So this length also you can take it, because that is also a slanted length. Okay, just for reference I'm drawing the slanted here because I have split it there. Okay, now we're getting the slanted length, same length we got it. Now using this slanted length we will construct the development of it. Same length we'll be drawing a line. Now we need to transfer all these cut points on the slanted length. Okay, 1 and 4. This is important step, guys. You should do it. 2 and 4, and this is 1. 3, it is already there on the slant edge. Okay, and you need to measure this length because we need to cut the arc on the slant edge when we are drawing and this development, right? We should know these dimensions. The slant edge lengths we need to find out. So for this I'll be using split command to get the exact length here. Okay, so in the distance between command there is an option here. So distance between 2 points, if you select, so you can able to measure the dimension. Okay, this is important step, guys. You can make use of this particular command. So select these 2 points, this will give the slanted line. Same way from this end to from this end. So again you have to select this particular command. Again you need to yes, like this you can measure. Yes, we got all the section point length on the slant edge. Now we will construct the same slant edge length here. After drawing a vertical line, we need to draw an arc using curve by center command. Okay, use arc by center command here. Yes, center point, and then draw an arc. Again here we need to use the arc again because 40 mm length we need to cut. Guys, in order to solve this problem it takes a lot of effort, so please make use of this video and subscribe to my channel and share to your friends and classmates so that they can be benefited. I am solving this model question paper because many of the students have been requested me. That's why I'm doing it. If you found this video very helpful, you can super thanks. There is an icon in the YouTube as you're watching the video. There is a little bit like sharing like button, but after that there is a particular icon like heart wherein you can, if you want to donate to this particular channel, you can donate it by super thanks. It starts from say 40 rupees. How much you want to pay, can do it, there is no problem. If you found this video helpful, you can do it. Okay, you can join like this. Connect all the arc cut point which you have cut it, right, using vertical lines. Okay, like this you can connect it. If you're finding any disturbances during the video, so you can neglect it, so concentrate on the video so that you can able to practice it. Okay, so like this you can construct because it is having 4 since it is a square pyramid. Okay, so join it like this. So dimension we can measure it and give the naming for it: capital B, capital C, capital D, and capital E. Okay, and A again. Now the cut points we should mention the dimensions which I have already measured for on the slant edge. Okay, A1 the same length arc we should cut. Similarly for 2 and 4 it will be the same length, and for 3 it is the length which we measured. Okay, go to arc by center and type that same radius for